Welcome to Uncle Hank's Knives. My husband makes the knives and I do the leather. Now he happens to be one of 3 knife makers for Dollywood, and our railroad spike is Knife of the Year for Quality Deer Management Magazine. You can come in and make your own knife. We have 6 different knives to make from, beginning with a concrete nail all the way to a railroad spike. So we have 2 different classes. One is with a regular class where Hank is doing the grinding, but you're doing the hammering, the twisting, the heat treating, the quenching. And then we have the advanced class where you are on the grinder with Hank. You're still doing the hammering, the twisting, the heat treating, the forging, but now you are shaping and profiling your knife on the grinder. So come in and sign up. Classes are either between 30 minutes or an hour and a half. When you leave here, you've got a knife just as beautiful as this. Class, knife, and sheath, all included in the price.
Break this out, we'll straighten it up a little bit. What I do is I walk up here. We're going to start out with a 36 grit belt. This is a very rough belt. I want you to be careful. We're going to go from a 36 to a 120. So what I do is when I walk up here to this grinder is I square up with it. You always want to grind right the center of that grinder, okay? Now pick it straight up, let it drain a minute. Big difference, yeah. Just use anything as long as it's not water hose. Gun oil, PB blaster, 3-in-1 oil, anything like that. I use that PB blaster with that Teflon.